Hi gems, it's your girl Ambra here and welcome back to the Ambra Live. I'm so excited to be doing this review. Just recently, Dose of Colors sent your girl the entire collection of their new eyeshadow that is hitting the market today, May 19th. It's 20 shades here. They're absolutely stunning. I know at this point you guys have seen reviews on Instagram and Twitter and YouTube nonetheless, but I wanted to get on here and give you a look. Because I actually am going out tonight, and sometimes you know how we do, you do your makeup and then you go wash it off. Well, I'm actually going somewhere, so I wanted to use the product. Right here, they said they're gluten-free, paraben-free, talc-free, and cruelty-free. And for maximum intensity, you can use your finger or you can use a brush. So you'll definitely see me demonstrate that in this video. But if you're interested in seeing how the Dose of Colors new Black Party eyeshadows look, then keep watching. Alright gems, so I do have somewhere that I'm going tonight, but I don't know what color I want to go with. I mean, I'm really missing an opportunity here to really rock green hard. So it's a toss up between Olive You and Leave Me Alone. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch those two. And maybe once I see it on camera, I can have a better idea on the decision. But as I mentioned, I'm going to do Olive You or Leave Me Alone. Where are you? Right here. Okay. You guys, the pigmentation on these shadows are stunning. I don't know if you guys had an opportunity to go to Dose of Colors YouTube channel, but I always check to make sure my mic is on. But Anna did a tutorial using the shadows and described, oh my god, that's Leave Me Alone, which is definitely nighttime ready. It has flakes of teal and the hunter green, and then you have Olive You. I think I'm leaning more towards Olive You because those are actually the color of the shoes that I'm wearing tonight. So let's get into it. As far as a palette that I'm going to use for all of my matte shades, I'm going to go in with my Shayla collection ColourPop Perception palette. Yes, Perception. I was about to say Perspective. Go off again. I'm really excited to see how these shadows show up on the skin, especially of deeper skin tones. I know that Shayla's already done a review of this product, but I haven't seen anyone my complexion try the shades on. But today is the day, and I actually have somewhere that I'm going. So first things first, I'm gonna mix Thick and Revenge. You know, these shades show up really, really beautiful on the skin and great transition shades. And honestly, I can't see myself doing a eye look without a burnt orange. I just don't live that life dangerously like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this directly into the crease in a windshield wiper motion, and I'm using my Morphe M433. Okay, now that we're closer, you can see what I'm doing. Again, I'm going in with Played Out and just packing that on the outer corner. Chris, what are you doing? I'm really intentionally packing that on the outer corner. I'm kind of blending it out. Sitting here thinking about how intense I want this green to show up. So I feel like it needs a little bit of a base. So I went and got my Dose of Colors cream matte eyeshadow and the shade Shady. And I'm just gonna see if I can find me, I'm gonna use my Dose of Colors concealer brush. I'm just gonna put that on my mobile lid because I really want this green to pop, but also have something to stick to. So I'm gonna take my blending brush and kind of buff that out a little bit. There we go. I like that, I like it a lot. Okay, so let's go into the star of the show. So I'm gonna be using the shade Olive You, which green's my favorite color. And I'm just going to apply it on the back of my hand and then directly on the lid. Yep. See what that did? Oh my God, it's so pretty. And it's really not showing up in this light because it's so white. But best believe in a Cara app, this thing is mean. So I'm applying it everywhere that I applied that shadow, and I'm using the mirror just to kind of build up. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna need a detailer brush for the inner corner because my nails are a bit too long. I'm gonna use that same shader brush and pack that on and get the inner corners. Oh my God, I missed a green eye, man. Green eyes on brown, green eyeshadow on brown eyes. It's pretty much match made in heaven. So I'm gonna go back into my Perception palette and grab a little bit more of this played out just for the outer corners to just blend that in really good. And I haven't done a smoked out lower lash in so long, so I'm definitely gonna get me a black kohl liner and we're gonna get this, blow this out. I'm gonna go off camera, put my lashes on, and be right back. Lashes on, and I'm just reusing my Lilly lashes at Sephora in the style Mykonos. They are dramatic as ever, which you kind of need when you're doing something kind of heavy on the lids like this. As far as lip, I've been playing around with some different shades. I'm not entirely too sure, but I feel like I want to deepen my bronze a bit. So I'm gonna go into my Morphe Bronzer in the shade Showmance, and I mix the two and then kind of chisel that cheek out. I think I want to freshen up my highlight, so I'm gonna go in with a new palette, and it's the Hyper Real Glow by MAC, and they don't have names, but I'm going to mix the two deeper shades and just put that on top of what I already have here to kind of freshen up my highlight. I'm gonna take the lighter of the, that is awkward. I'm gonna use the lighter of the shades just in my inner corner. Just needs a little pop. Oh, it's so pretty. Then for the lip, I do wanna go glossy, but that doesn't mean you don't need a liner. So I'm gonna go in with my chestnut liner. At least this way the gloss won't run. I'm gonna create a bit of dimension so it's not just a flat shade on the lip. So as far as gloss, I'm gonna be using Saint Tropez by Anastasia. I've never used this shade before. It's interesting. It's kind of it is metallic. But I like it. It's different. And it's actually pulling a lot of the orange tones. And look, a safe bet is you can go with a nude, but I wanted something with a little more color. You have it. Dose of Color's new Block Party eyeshadows released today, May 19th. It's actually the day that I'm taping this video, not when it's gonna go live, but they retail at $20 a piece. They are 20 different shades. They're absolutely beautiful. I love the color payoff. This green olive hue is absolutely stunning. So if you can get your hands on it, I wouldn't say get all 20 of them because they are a bit pricey, but get yourself a couple of them because, you know, trends are moving in the direction of color, color, color. So if you like videos like this, make sure you like, you subscribe, and share so everyone out there knows what's going on over here in the Ambra life. And until our next video, gems, bye.